Want to make extra money with PDF Filler? Try the Sell My Forms feature and start earning real cash for digital documents. Let's say you've created a questionnaire or maybe an agreement, like this one. Selling it can save many people a lot of time and make them very happy. To start, click Sell My Form in the toolbar. Enter a title and add a description so we can create a web page for your document. You'll need a Stripe account to collect payments. Connect it and set a price for your form. After publishing, you'll get a web page for your document. Embed it into your site and send the direct link to anyone in a message or email. Once your document has been downloaded, you receive money. That's how it works. Start selling as many documents as you want. It's free and easy. Try today.